Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about Revit settings. So let's go with the new and anything. Okay. So let's go for the sheet. If you go sheet here, there is already this template have many sheets. So just I will go one of sheet. You have seen here there is a revision number description date. How to add the revision? So very simple here. If you go here in the left side, there is a revision on sheet. If you click here, there is a sequence revision dates and you click OK, the revision will come. So there is number one, revision one, date one. So here, how to modify this one? You can go view and here there is a small thing sheet issues and revision. If you click here, there is the numbering, everything available here. Okay. So in the numbering, this one already assign it. So let's assign this one. Okay. So now you can go here, you see, this is the revision, number, numeric, date, everything available here. So if you go numbering, you will see there's alphanumeric and numeric. If you go alphanumeric, you will see here alphanumeric, this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, something like that. And if you go numeric, yeah, here, edit, you will see here 1, 2. So this one starting minimum number of digits, you can go with maybe three numbers. So we can go 0, 0, 1, let's say. Okay. And okay, so already it's in alpha numbering. Okay. So if I go at the revision, if I check revision here, it will start like 0, 0, 1. So you can change this name in the family edit, revision number. Example, if you click here, this edit family. So here, if you go here, uh, 1 minute here in the table, where is table? Yeah, here. Here you can make REV. Okay, that's all. So it will come REV here. Then load into project. I don't want to save. Alright. So it will be change REV. So how many, whatever you want additional detail, you can edit. Same concept. You can click here, edit family, and click this one. I don't need to click that one. Just click here. And here you have field. You go edit field, and you can issue by issue date. If you want new, uh, I think we can add new project information, something like this. Building name, client names. There's too many thing issues, date, project issues, there's too many things here available. Okay. I don't think so you can add, but you can add by formula. Combine parameters. Okay. Uh, yes. Let's see if you can add another additional detail. Okay, these are the details are available. You can use or additional information you can use from here. Otherwise, you can use the combined one like formula, combined parameter, something like that. So let's go with the other thing. You can check that one if you know parameter. You can check that one. The second thing, we can change this name. The second thing, so let's say this is 0, 0, 1, but some people use a different kind of revisioning numbering like A001, B001. So you can go view in the revision cloud and numbering and let's make a new one. New one, let's say triple A like that, alphanumeric. So here you delete everything like type A001, comma A002, comma A003. You have to type how many revision you want. You have to type everything. If you stop 3, it will work up to only 3. So, okay, you will change here numeric to triple A. And this description date, let's put date 1/1/25. Okay. So okay, this is automatically changed. A001 revision 1 1125. If you have another revision, you will go here and you will add another one. So it's automatically changed A002, and here you will put 2/2/25. Okay, we will write another one A003. You see here change. Here then we will put 3/3/25. Okay, I will add another one. See, it's coming from again beginning. A001, A001. Why? Because here I given up to A003. So I will go with A004. Okay. Okay, now it will change A004. Let's press OK. So here, then you have to come here, edit, and select what are the revision you have given, and you can make OK. So you will see these changes. I didn't put any date for this one. Still here I have to go and 4/4/20. So you can put issued by everything, whatever before it was not here. I edited the field, so it's coming here, and you can do it in that way. So see this revision change. Another thing very important in the revision is revision cloud. So if you go view, or not view, I think annotate. Yeah, revision cloud. So if you draw revision cloud, this is the revision cloud. You can draw any pattern you want. Just click OK. So you will go TG tagging. This is called revision tag. If you don't have a tag, you have to create one tag. I hope you understand. You know how to create tag. Otherwise, I will make a video creating tags, different type of tags. Okay. So this is A004 because the last revision A004. Still this one you can change. You click the cloud, okay, click the cloud, and here you can change the revision tag. See, the cloud revision is 2, but the page revision is 4. So that one you can manage. Another thing you can arrange the arc size. There's no direct settings from here. You have to go to the view and revision, and there's sizes here. So this is 0. It's in the inches. So let's go with how much? Maybe we can go 1/8. See, it's became small. So you can manage the revision cloud size from here only. So I hope you understand everything in the about the revision, how to change the revision cloud size, adding a revision tag, and adding the different kind of numbering series, and how to add the revisions and manage this one. So one of my friend where he was having some issues, so let's like it's coming from 4 to 1. So there's a different thing. He was suffering very much. So I hope believe if I put that one also here, it will be helpful. Okay. So here there's another thing. Uh, Even me also forget again. I will check this one. Here. No, this is not this one. Edit. Sorry. Here there was a order A to Z, ascending descending order. So click here. I also forget that one. This is revision information, revision number. Uh, 1 minute. I think I'm looking in the wrong information. Yes, I found it. This one you have to go here, and here you have to go here, edit, and here in the sorting format you have to make the ascending and descending here. So let's make descending here. Okay. Now I will make okay, load into project. No. All right. So you will see 4, 3, 2, 1. So very simple. He was suffering very much. So I think it will be helpful for you. So go to the edit family. You have to check every settings regarding this one. See this revision cloud. You have to check everything here. Okay. These things are very important. You go to the click this one. You can edit field. You can format whatever you want here. So it will be changed there. So when you are creating a new sheet also, there's an interesting thing here. So creating a new total new sheet, I will make another video so you will know like how to make a click plan, how to make some details here and project notes, how to add a parameter and visibility, everything. I will make another video how to create a total layout inshallah in next video. So until then, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.